job, buddy.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, we had a heck of a morning. We had birds all around us. We were in between 4 different groups.
Yep, and we didn't hear him until a little bit later,
Yeah.
and just had so many birds we didn't know which direction to try for.
And then none of them seemed to come together. Like they all separated and went out different ways.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know why he didn't come in early. There's apparently had no hens. So we just got between him and another group of birds that's over the hill over here, and seemed like it was quick. I mean, there wasn't.
It happened really fast. Like we sat down and we're calling, didn't hear anything, and then it sounded like there was a gobble way off in the distance. And then I heard 2 more while you were calling. He kept calling while you were calling, so you probably couldn't hear him.
No.
But they sounded like they were way off, and then all of a sudden there he is. He had to be within 100 yards. Just like
I could see his fan, just the tips, these white tips I could see right through that brush down there. And I was like, oh, now it's gonna happen. It was pretty sweet. First time I heard him gobble, you heard him gobble. I swore it was a woodpecker down there, but I was like, well, maybe. I mean, so, well, that's one down.
One down.
We've got one opening day bird, and
so far.
Yeah.
Hopefully 3 more.
Oh yeah, there's enough here that we should be able to get. I mean, it's only like 7:30.
Yeah.
So we should be able to get into several more birds here in the next couple hours. So, sweet. Job well done, my friend.
Well, let's keep her going and whack a couple more on the way back to the truck.
Sounds good to me.
Okay.
My pal. Good job.
Thanks, buddy. Both of his legs are broken.
last time you saw us, we were sitting behind
This one.
one bird.
One bird.
That was only hour and a half ago,
An hour and a half ago.
something like that.
And in between that, we spooked a bird. So that was fun.
Which was up here gobbling just a little bit ago.
Yeah. But we should probably make this quick because there is another bird gobbling over
Yeah,
there. So.
yeah. So we just got between another group of toms. We had a group up here, and we heard some down in the meadow below us, and just started calling, and they started gobbling back and forth to each other. And
Worked out.
obviously, it worked to perfection. He came in strutting like he's supposed to. Saw the decoys and kind of got a little spooky, but
So I got way more like excited with this bird than the first one.
because watching it strut in,
Yeah, strut in. I think it's
well, I could hear it down there.
yeah, spitting and drumming.
Could you see it?
Yeah, I
That-
saw him a little bit.
I saw it come down by that snowbank over
Yep.
there.
Yep.
But no, it was pretty good. Seeing him strutting back and forth over here on this. It was kind of in the shadow, so it was kind of hard to get it, but it was pretty good.
2 down. 2 to go.
Yep. All right, let's go kill some more. That was awesome.
Yeah, this bird's heavier than this bird.
You want me to stick one in here?
My bird's my problem.